Donald John Trump, born June 14th, 1946. So Donald Trump's birthday is June 14th. June 14th is the 165th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. Just in case you didn't know, the calendar that we use today is the Gregorian calendar. 165 plus its reflection 561 equals 726 harpazo. Don Trump in English Gematria equals 726, and Antichrist in English Gematria equals 726 harpazo as well. Donald J. Trump equals 888 in English. And so does Nebuchadnezzar, 888 in English Gematria, who was the king of Babylon. Now Trump is the king of Mystery Babylon. Is that not amazing? And then the words rapture escape and rapture year both equal 888 in English Gematria. 8 times 8 times 8 equals 512. And all you do is add it to its reflection, 215, and you get 727, which is one off of 726 harpazo, but 727 is harpax, which, as you can see, is from the word harpazo and literally means almost the same exact thing. The shooting during the attempted assassination of former President Donald Trump at a rally in Butler, Pennsylvania on July 13th, 2024, began around 6:11 p.m. 6:11. If you switch to 6, you got 9/11, and we all know the connections with 9/11 and Trump. But 6:11, look at this. 6:11 plus its reflection, 116, equals, guess what? 727. Man, this stuff is clockwork. It's all planned out, you guys. And they're doing this. They're surrounding, Trump with his name and with the connections with the numbers and everything to the rapture, because they're telling you. And they named him Trump because they know in the Bible the rapture happens at the last trump. The Bible's not talking about Trump, but they do this stuff on purpose. 727 also is gotten by pi, 3.14 or 314, added to its reflection 413. You get 727 also, and pi is the never-ending number. It's considered an irrational number. It never ends. Like eternity, right? Another interesting thing about pi is that if you take its reflection, 413, and subtract 314, you get 99. That's amazing. That is the value of rapture and judgment, spelled with an E, and ascension. Also, if you take the number for harpazo, 726, instead of 727, and you subtract its reflection, 627, you also get 99, the value of rapture and judgment. And when you take 726 harpazo, the rapture, and add it to its reflection, 627, you get 1353. We see 153 fish there. We see 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 3. But when you take 1353 and multiply it, 1 times 3 times 5 times 3, you get 45, the square root of 2025. And when you multiply it twice, 1 times 3 times 5 times 3 times 1, times 3 times 5 times 3, you get 2025. The writing is on the wall. As I've been saying for a long time, 2025 is no doubt the end of the dispensation of the grace of God, and the wrath begins. And if we look in the Bible, it says we're not appointed to wrath, the devil's wrath or God's wrath. So if you haven't had a chance to go watch my past videos for the last 6 months, there's so much revelation, especially with numbers, that it is just so unbelievable, the things that have been revealed to me, that so you will know too the times that we are in, how close we really are, and what is going to happen this year. No doubt 2025 is a very special year.